Alright guys, so back with another unboxing and first impressions here. So again, the usual like I do with mine. I've already unboxed it, taken the stickers off, resized it so you don't have to watch any of that stuff. So here it is. So you get the new Pagani design box, which is actually pretty big. I do quite like it though. And then open it up. Quickly talk about the bits we've got in here, because there's a few little bits and pieces. So you've got the warranty card. Again, not dated or anything. User manual. What else have we got? Got a little screwdriver. Always handy to have. Then you've got the links that I've taken out here. So they are actually screw links. If I can get it to focus. Yeah, there we go. Screw links for like the faux rivet style. And these are actually individual pieces, these. So that is nice. We've got the brandy cleaning cloth, the watch itself, and a nice included Nato strap, which is actually branded as well. So they've told me if you do order one of these, if you let them know I sent you over, they will include one of these as a free little bonus, because I don't think you actually get it with it standard. So seems quite nice. And then we've got the watch itself. So we'll get all this out of the way. First impressions. It's looking pretty good. So this is obviously the updated version. They've still got that. Yeah, they've still got that red bit on the crown. So I'm assuming that's going to be on all of them, like it was with the previous one I had. So if you get the blue one, you're still going to get a red accent on the crown. So I'm definitely glad I went for the black and red this time. But it's looking pretty good. So it's just an aluminium bezel insert on this one, because it's got that red obviously. We'll do like that crystal. That is nice. Top hat crystal. Looking pretty good. Let's get a zoom out actually, see what that bezel's like. Okay, so it's only a 60 click by the feel of it, and it's only unidirectional as well, not bidirectional. Does it line up though? If I don't go past it, might. Yep, it does actually line up, so that's good. Let's check out the movement. So get those hands out of the way so you can see all the dial properly. That'll do. So got the GMT, let's zoom back in. GMT automatic, water resistant, 200 meters. Bit too much text there. You don't really need the automatic. Do you really need the GMT? Probably not. I'd probably get rid of both of them, to be honest. And then just the Pagani at the top. Again, you don't need the logo and the actual text, one or the other. So what's this movement like? Let's get them out of the way so you can see that date window. There we go. So you've got turn it one way, you've got the independently moving GMT hand. And then turn it the other way, you can change the date. Seems smooth enough, no issues with that. I do like that we've got female end links on this as well. It's always good to have. Helps with that lug to lug. We've actually got a nice bit of curvature to those lugs as well, which I think's improved from the previous version. Pretty sure the previous one was a bit more flat than that. So that'll probably help it wear better on wrist as well. Let's have a look at the clasp. Yeah, so the new standard Pagani ones, they work well enough. 3 levels of micro adjust, and we got that. Diver's extension, just a pressed one, not overly keen on them. That's the case back like? Yeah, it's just a standard Pagani case back. I'm sure that's the wrong model number, isn't it? I think they might have used a case back from a different one. Could be wrong though. Can't remember the number off the top of my head now. But first impressions, looking pretty good so far. Got the sign crown, nice chamfered details. I do like that crystal a lot. So I'll try it out for a bit, come back with a review, let you know what it's like, if you're interested in picking one up. But that's it for this one guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.